Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. I am directed to address you on the subject noted above and to say that the proposal received from various departments about crossing of efficiency bars by gazetted officers showed that such proposals were being taken up for consideration long after the date on which the officer concerned was due to cross the efficiency bar stop. Inquiries were therefore made and the departments reported that delay in such cases occurred primarily because intimation as to the date when the crossing of the efficiency bar was due was not received from the Accountant General Office in time. Stop. The matter was accordingly taken up with the Accountant General, but he indicated that the practice followed by the Audit Office until now about intimating the date of the crossing of the efficiency bar to the departments concerned was only with a view to facilitating timely examination of such cases, and in fact the administrative departments had the dates available on their records and should be able to process such cases on their own. Stop. It was accordingly been decided that in future each department should keep up to date record to the dates on which all officials working in the department due to cross efficiency bars and should initiate that those cases at the appropriate time without waiting for any communication from the Accountant General. Stop. If any department has in any particular case doubt as to the correct date in question, then it may obtain confirmation from the Audit Office, but that should be done at least 6 months in advance so that the case can be settled in time. Full stop. Over.